Georgia, a nation that inspires awe. Georgia, a charming destination with adventure and culture, is a one-stop spot for travelers who want it all. Wait, while enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Be captivated by its stunning beauty, striking landscape, and the various attractions it offers. There is no place like this, one of the most ancient and fascinating countries of the world. Be stunned by the permanently snow-capped summits, alpine meadows of the mighty Great Caucasus. Nothing captures the splendor of Georgia quite like its beautifully diverse sights. Visit the country's numerous beautiful sites, which adds magic to this gorgeous country. Mingle with the hospitable locals and be overwhelmed by the warm welcomes and smiles. Explore its rich cultural heritage at these UNESCO World Heritage Site with cultural significance. Feed your cravings with culinary delights that awaits every palate and taste embellished by locally produced distinct wines. This beautiful nation brimming with all will certainly enchant you. Thanks for watching Travel Center. Subscribe to see more videos from all around the world.